You can't be Little Miss Weather Girl and Little Miss Good Grades at the same time, or she might turn into stormy weather and start raining on us. Once a villain, always a villain.
Stormy weather. I am Shadow Moth. People have told you that you'll never change. Well, they're right. People don't change, they grow. This time, your powers will be even stronger as you know them well. Show them how you're able to control all the forces of nature.
All right.
Your father's like one of those wheels of cheese with a very thick rind. Once you manage to sink your teeth into it, you realize it's all soft inside.
What is that? Flag, power up!
Flag Glacier!
Flag Glacier, close out!
Listen up, children. It's me, Stormy Weather. I will not allow Christmas this year. No treats and no holiday dinner. Huh? Ladybug and Cat Noir will never let you do that. Oh, is that so? She's right. We will never let you do that. Christmas is the time for joy and family. You will never ruin it as long as we are here to defend it.
Nothing more perfect than Christmas spirit, m'lady.
That and your cat-tastic jokes, silly kitty.